And hello again out there, everybody. This is going to be a quick video showing you how to use auto tagging script to mark your low center marking matches on Ancestry that you want to keep, so they don't delete them. Uh, Let me see. Normally, I do all of my things on Ancestry using the Chrome browser. But for this particular script, they recommend that you use Firefox. So therefore, I'm going to open up my Firefox browser. Now, here's what you need to do. You need to, once you've opened it, you need to first thing go through there and tell it which matches to display. And in this case, I've already gone through and told it to display my 7 to 7 centimorgan matches. And that's what's up here on the screen. Everything lower than 8, higher than 6. I've got a group already predefined, which says 6 to 7 centimorgan. And I'm going to use the script, and I'm going to show you how to deploy the script in just a few seconds on how to get it to go through and tag these automatically, rather than going through and manually clicking every one yourself like this, which could take a while, especially when you've got a few thousand of these. The script automate that process. Here is the script. I've uploaded this into our Facebook group as well as in our Dropbox. It's got two parts. This first line is part 1. Everything here from this line here down to the end is part 2. First thing we want to do is come up here and select the script in part 1, go back to our Firefox web page, and we have to open this to get into the programming window, and you do that by hitting F12, your F12 key. Make sure that you are in the console window. If you've never used this before, I think it first opens up in inspector mode, but all these are the windows you can look at. We want to be in the console. Once you've come down here, you've got those two little chevrons there pointing to the right like that. Hit Control V to paste that first line, hit enter, and that's telling it what to bring up. Then we go back here, we get the second part, we click there, come all the way down to the bottom, select that, Control C, come down here, Control V to paste it, hit enter, and that will automatically bring this window up here, and you see it's going through now, automatically tagging all of your matches. Now, when I looked in the original video for the person that designed this, they suggested that when this crashed, not if it crashed, but when it crashed, but there's a real good chance it's going to stop due to either Ancestry's site not being cooperative or for one reason or the other, and you have to start this process over. They suggest that you start it in a brand new tab. Don't try to come up here and hit refresh and put it, put the cut and paste back in this window again. It may or may not work. So just for the sake of simplicity and just keep it simple, let's just follow instructions. We'll create another tab and start all over. So while this is running, now I'm gonna leave this running, and I want to go and give a couple of credits to where this came from. Now, I did not create this script. I'm not a programmer. This was shared with our group by Beatrice DuPont, and this is her post in our group. And if you notice here at the bottom of the post here, that's hyperlinked. If you click on that, that will tell you more instructions on using it, do's and don'ts and whatnot. So on that note, I think that's going to end this video, and I'm going to post it, and I'll also be conducting these classes, if you want to call it that, online to so people can do it live just in case there are any issues. Now, on that note, I'm going to stop this video.